Let's skip the usual highlight reel recap. 2 AI articles and hands-on progress on the Loon project. Here's the actual log of this week, built for real. Hi, I'm Agrima. This week split 2 ways, writing about AI and hands-on work for the Loon project, tracking Minnesota's common loons by drone. This is the real log of what I worked on, not a highlight reel. Start simple. Ask Claude for a script that just logs what happened this week, thread by thread. Here it is, 1 dict per thread, and a log function that just prints each item with its real status. No scoring, no tally, just what happened. Run it. 2 articles published. 6 items on the Loon project side, 3 done, 3 still in progress. Honest, but it reads like a data dump, not something you'd actually want to read. So ask for the real fix. Turn it from a data dump into something that reads like an actual log, and call out the week standout from each thread. The diff, a standout line up top per thread, the week's actual headline, then every entry underneath in order. Still every item, still every real status. Just readable. Run it again. Same 2 threads, same 8 real items now with a standout up top, the fashion piece and the drone finally in hand. Nothing hidden, nothing inflated. Just an actual log. That's the week logged. 2 articles out, 1 on AI reshaping fashion's forecasting and design, 1 on the open source model gap closing. And real ground on the Loon project. A drone in hand, the FAA path researched, a strategy for reaching lake communities and birders written, certification, footage, and a trained model still in progress. Not a highlight reel. Just the log. Your turn. List what you actually worked on this week in order, and ask Claude to turn it into a log, not a highlight reel. Just what happened, with a standout per thread. 2 threads, 1 week, writing and the Loon project, logged for real. Not the highlights, the actual work.